Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Whirlpool water filter is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your family's health and well-being, ensuring access to clean, refreshing water right from your refrigerator. In this video, we will deep dive into the features, benefits, and considerations to help you decide if this filter is the right choice for your kitchen. Number 5. Whirlpool Everydrop EDR1 RXD1 Filter. Say hello to cleaner, great-tasting ice and water. This filter is designed to enhance your refrigerator's performance. It's the single-pack replacement filter for your Whirlpool refrigerator. Make sure it's the right one for your model. Replacing it is quick and simple. You'll be enjoying fresh, filtered water in minutes. It effectively reduces impurities, improving the taste and quality of your water and ice. Experience the difference. Always verify your refrigerator's filter number before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Find your number and match it to this one. It's easy to identify this filter with its distinctive purple color. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind. What we like? It's a single filter pack, perfect for those who need a simple replacement. Installation is straightforward, making it ideal for those who aren't comfortable with complex procedures. If you're looking for a reliable filter that effectively reduces lead, this is a great option. What people say. This has saved my family and I tons of money as it works well, it's easy to insert, fits perfectly. Once I insert, I allow water run for a few minutes and then start to drink. It has great taste. I don't buy bottled water anyone. The water pressure and flow is great as well and I change every 6 months. This is my second buy. I've been using the Everydrop filter in my Whirlpool fridge for a couple weeks now, and the difference in water quality is noticeable. Before replacing with the new filter, the water in my new home tasted odd and occasionally had an odor, and oftentimes the ice would jam. Thankfully, all issues were resolved when I installed this replacement, and my water and ice are now crisp and clean. Installation was straightforward and only took a few minutes. This filter is a breeze to install. Works very well to filter and improve the taste of my water. Lasts several months, so definitely a great value. Number 4. Whirlpool Everydrop Filter 2. It's here. The new Everydrop Filter 2, designed to bring you cleaner, fresher tasting water. It's the only filter approved for your Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and more. This filter is certified to reduce 99% of lead and 27 other contaminants. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your family is drinking cleaner water. Experience the difference. It significantly reduces pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and other impurities for a superior taste experience. Remember to replace it every 6 months for consistently great tasting water. It's simple and keeps your water tasting its best. Before purchasing, check your old filter number to ensure compatibility with your refrigerator. It's a quick and easy step to ensure a perfect fit. Please note that due to a recent packaging update, the packaging may look slightly different than what you see here. The quality inside remains the same. What we like? This filter is approved by major appliance brands, ensuring compatibility and quality. It boasts superior contaminant reduction, keeping your water exceptionally pure. If you prioritize a wide range of contaminant reduction and brand trust, this is the filter for you. What people say. Installing it was quick and easy, no special tools or skills needed. It fit perfectly and snapped right into place without any issues. The water quality improved almost immediately. The taste is noticeably better, clean and fresh, and it's reassuring to know it's filtering out contaminants. My ice cubes are clearer too, which is a nice bonus. These filters work great in our Whirlpool fridge and are easy to install. Number 3. Everydrop EDR4 RXD1 Refrigerator Filter. It's important to check your old filter number to make sure it's the right fit for your refrigerator. This ensures optimal performance and clean water. This filter is the only one approved by Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and Jenn-Air. You can trust it with your appliance. It's certified to reduce 99% of lead and many other harmful substances. This ensures healthier, safer water for you and your family. It tackles 23 contaminants, including lead, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and parasites. That's peace of mind with every glass. Enjoy the difference. It delivers clean, refreshing water, enhancing the taste of your beverages and ice. This filter meets NSF standards 401, 53, and 42 for contaminant reduction. You can be confident in its quality and effectiveness. What we like. This filter effectively reduces various contaminants while maintaining NSF certifications. It provides clean, fresh-tasting water, perfect for everyday use. If you need a reliable and certified filter that delivers clean water, this is a great choice. What people say. Ease of replacement. These filters are incredibly easy to replace. The installation process is straightforward, and I had no issues getting them set up in no time. It's a breeze to swap them out, making maintenance hassle-free. Clean and filtered water. The water quality has noticeably improved since using these filters. They effectively remove impurities, and the water tastes fresh and clean. I feel confident that my drinking water is purified to a high standard. Replacement indicator. One of the standout features is the built-in indicator that lets us know when it's time to replace the filter. This thoughtful addition takes the guesswork out of maintenance and ensures that we're always using a filter that's working at its best. Number 2. Whirlpool Everydrop Filter 3. It's the only filter approved for your Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and JennAir refrigerator. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. It reduces up to 99% of lead and 73 other contaminants, including pesticides and pharmaceuticals. Enjoy cleaner, safer water for your family. This filter is certified by NSF to reduce contaminants, giving you peace of mind. It meets the highest standards for water filtration. It effectively reduces unpleasant odors from your water. Experience fresh, clean-tasting water every time. Remember to replace it every 6 months or 200 gallons for optimal performance. Check your filter number to ensure compatibility with your refrigerator model. It's the perfect replacement for your old P1WB2 or P1WB2L filter. Upgrade your refrigerator's filtration system today. What we like. This filter excels in contaminant reduction, removing an impressive number of impurities. It also effectively reduces odors, ensuring fresh-smelling water. If you're seeking the highest level of contaminant and odor reduction, this is the filter for you. What people say. Easy to install and works great filtering our water. Filter was very easy to install and the filtered water tastes great. I use it in my Nespresso coffee maker and for drinking water throughout the day. Water is odorless and clear. No weird taste. The size and prongs were identical to the filter being replaced. The only differences I noticed were slightly faster flow and a loud clicking banging sound upon installation, which had never happened with the previous 20 filter changes. Number 1. Waterdrop EDR4 RXD1 Replacement Filter. It's a high-quality replacement filter that effectively removes impurities from your drinking water, ensuring a cleaner and healthier taste. This filter is compatible with many popular refrigerator models. It's certified by NSF 42 and NSF 372, meeting high standards for performance and safety. You can trust it to deliver clean, great-tasting water. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation, no tools required. Simply follow the instructions, and you'll be enjoying cleaner water in minutes. It uses a superior 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block, providing a larger surface area and more micropores for enhanced filtration. This ensures efficient impurity removal. It comes with convenient month install stickers to help you track its lifespan. You'll always know when it's time for a replacement, ensuring you always have clean water. It's compatible with a wide range of refrigerator models, including Whirlpool, Everydrop, Maytag, and more. Check the description to see if it fits your model. What we like. This filter offers excellent value for its price, without compromising on performance. It's NSF certified and utilizes superior coconut shell carbon for effective filtration. If you are on a budget but still want a high-quality, certified filter, this is a smart choice. What people say. Great value, easy to install, great flow rate. Water tastes good, no difference. These will outlast 6 months in a 2-person home and probably a perfect product for a 3 or 4-person family. Original fit to OEM. Bought this item before and continue to purchase as needed. We immediately recognize when we change. Ice cubes go from cloudy to clear immediately after changing filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.